So I can't remember how many times I've visited Tam Coc already during my 8-year stay in Vietnam. But one place I've never visited yet is the bird park in Tam Coc, and I've been waiting for an opportunity to go and visit it. And this opportunity came along during the national holiday on the 1st of September. So early in the morning that day, I mounted my motorbike and took the 3 hours drive from Hanoi to Tam Coc.
Oh yeah, fucking holiday. That's why it's like this. It's never like this.
Actually, I should have known this place would be packed with local tourists. It's always like that during national holidays.
Hello.
Hello. How are you?
So it seems that the ticket includes a boat ride, 15 minutes they say. Right? This is the entrance to the bird park. Let's see if there are any birds, because my experience with bird parks in Vietnam, not so great. So you can take a boat to go see the birds, but look at all this today. Way too long the line, so they tell me I can walk. I think that's what I'll do. So quite a walk along the river. Could have taken the boat if I were to wait for a long time, but oh. Hello. Okay, so here are the birds. Actually, there are quite a few of them. Wow, it's pretty hot here, even though it's almost 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Yeah, 5:15 already. Okay, Zina, there it is. All the birds around. Let's zoom in a bit. Oh, look, like storks, kind of storks.
And those are the boat rides I could have taken if I had the patience to wait in line.
A little bit up the road, a little bit. Just realized I can go a little bit farther. And that seems like it's the end of the road. Yep. Okay, let's turn around.